What's the company's name?
Production Partners Chemical and DBA of AM and Associates.
And you are?
Eric Hole, chemist.
Okay, so the questions we have is, does your company benefit or harm the environment?
Benefit, or actually we benefit, because we use a lot of recycled off-spec stuff that would normally have to be burned, and we recycle it and turn it into product.
For each of the different products you have to convert, are there any procedures you have to take?
Yeah, well, we got to follow all the OSHA rules as far as safety. We have to follow, just general practice to make sure everything's safe and not hazardous.
Okay. The third question is, what would happen if in making a chemical a little amount of substance was too much or too little? Would it cause an effect on the product?
Michael, if it's some of the higher molecular weight stuff, no. If it's an additive, yes.
The fourth question is, since chemical manufacturing is based on transforming raw materials and organic materials with chemicals, what are some examples?
Well, I think a good example is we make prepolymers. Well, that's the chemical term for them. They're actually a polymer to begin with, but we extend them. And that's used in, that's a binder for rubbers, wherever you see like rubber posts and things like that. Mm-hmm. Those are usually formed from old ground up tires and the prepolymer that we make.
Okay. And the last question would be, how long does it take to produce each chemical?
Typically, the blends will be anywhere from 2 to 6 hours.
2 to 6
to
hours.
blend them up, and then the prepolymer it takes that long to actually mix it, but we let it sit, finish the reaction in the tank overnight, and then package it the next day.
That is?
Yeah, I'm sorry. It's a flexible foam. We're gonna squeeze it. You gotta squeeze it. You gotta show them that it's flexible.
Squeeze it when it's all like that.
Crush it. And then we have rigid foams also there. For that, they're rigid. That's why they're called rigid foams. That's more for structural. This is more for fill. Okay.